You're going to need a very good credit company to be able to pull borrowers' credit reports and be able to see exactly what their situation is. These companies can be very important. Some of them can be expensive. So you want to make sure you know which companies are less expensive and which ones are going to work better for you. I'll suggest some. I work with one that's in specific that is very inexpensive and works great for me. Besides that, when you have these credit companies that allow you to pull credit from all three credit reporting agencies, from Equifax, TransUnion, and Experian, you might need sometimes to help the borrower improve their credit. Sometimes there's things that don't reflect on the credit report that need to reflect. Sometimes there's errors on the credit report that appear there that need to be taken care of. These companies, they have specific services that they allow you to use that will help you to be able to speed up the process. Sometimes if you need a dispute taken off a credit report, they can do it in 3 to 5 business days. Sometimes if you pay for a rush, they'll do it in 24 hours, which is very beneficial sometimes when you need to close a transaction soon, or because either the purchase contract is going to expire or because the borrower needs to close sooner. Other times when there's other things on the credit report that you need to have taken care of, sometimes you can also have what's called a verbal verification for certain things that are on the credit report that shouldn't be there. And that's an additional service. It has a cost. The borrower's going to have to pay that, or you're going to have to pay that through your office, but it's still going to be a great idea. Now, something very important to mention, some banks or lenders might charge borrowers upfront for the credit report, and other companies might take in that cost and just call it an administrative cost, and they'll pay for it themselves. And if the loan doesn't close, or if the borrower decides to go with another company, that's simply money that they'll end up losing. But at least you don't deter borrowers from coming in and doing the transaction with you because they're afraid of having to pay, I don't know, $20, $30, $40 for their credit report to be pulled. So this is an important decision that you need to make sure you take a good approach towards. I suggest taking the cost and taking the borrower so that you get the most amount of people coming in, and you don't get somebody just to save 30, 40 bucks. You weren't able to help them, and maybe you were the only one that was able to help them. Maybe a bank was a lot more stricter. Sometimes another lender might not have the problem-solving capacities that you might have. So this is an important decision you need to make in advance. Let other people charge that fee up front if they want to charge the borrower. If you're smart enough to go ahead and take that cost, take that charge, it's better to do it. You'll be able to help more people, and less people will delay the process, and you'll be able to close more loans this way.